Hi, welcome to everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to change text from uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase, and apply proper case formatting in Excel. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Import or create a sample dataset with text that you want to format. Right-click your mouse, then insert a new column next to the text you want to convert. In the empty cell of the new column, type equal lower open bracket to start the formula. Then select the text you want to convert to lowercase. After that, close the bracket and press enter. Now successfully changed uppercase letter to lowercase letter. If you want to change multiple cells, then double-click the fill handle to apply the formula to all desired cells. If you want to keep the modified data, copy the cells with the lowercase text. After that, right-click the mouse, then paste values. Now that you have the text converted to lowercase, you can safely delete the duplicated data column with formulas. Insert another new column next to the text you want to convert to uppercase. In the empty cell of the new column, type equals upper to start the formula. Then, select the text you want to convert to uppercase. After that, close the bracket and press enter. Now, successfully changed uppercase letter to lowercase letter. To apply proper case formatting, the first letter of each word capitalized. First, insert new column. In the empty cell, type equals proper, open bracket, to begin the formula. Then, select the text you want to format. After that, close the bracket, and press enter. Now, successfully done proper case formatting. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to others. Thank you. Bye.